Welcome back. In today's video, we will see a demonstration on how to create a complex wall which composed of 3 parallel layers. So the details of layers are, we need to have 3 layers. Our structural layer will be brick, which is 200 millimeter in thickness. You can see the preview here on the right side. We need to have one finish layer whose material will be wood stain with a thickness of 10 millimeter on the exterior of the wall. Next, we need to have a second finish layer with a material gypsum, should be on the interior with a thickness of 10 millimeter, which you can see it here. So let's switch to Revit and start creating our wall. So you can see we have a project open already here. So to start creating a complex wall, we go to architecture, click on wall architectural. I will select a generic 200 millimeter as a default wall. Click on edit type, go to duplicate, and then change the name. So let me make it complex wall with a thickness 220 millimeter, and then click OK. Now to add and modify the layers, we go to structure and then click on edit. As you can see, we have only currently one layer present here. So to add 2 more layers, we click on insert. You can see one layer is added. Let's add one more layer. That's it. So as per our design, we need to have one structure layer which should be material brick. So we have a structure. Let's change it to brick. Next, we need to have 2 finish layers. So I'll consider this one as a finish 1 and this one as a finish 2 layer. So our finish 1 layer should be wood stain with a thickness of 10 millimeter and on the exterior of the wall. So for this, let me go and change the material of the finish 1 layer. Click on the material and then type wood. So on the bottom you can see we have wood stain. Select and then click OK. Let's give the thickness as 10 millimeter, and we need to shift our wood finish layer on the exterior of the structure layer. So let's click on, select this wood layer and make it up. It should be outside the core boundary. Next, let's change the finish 2 layer, which should be gypsum. So select the finish 2 layer. Let me bring it down first, and then we change the layer, we change the material to gypsum. So in the material browser we can type gypsum and then we can select gypsum wallboard and then click OK. Let's change the thickness. So in the preview you can see we have a wall with 3 layers. One is brick, second we have wood, third we have gypsum. So our complex wall is ready. We can click OK. Done. To check, we can zoom out and then create a new layer, our new created wall, and then we can zoom. As you can see, it currently looks like an empty wall, so we need to change the visual style for this. So we need to go to view control bar, click on visual style. Let's make it consistent. Still it looks like a 1 layer wall or like a generic wall. So if you want to see more detail, we need to go to view control bar again and then click on detail level and make it to fine. And very clearly we can see we have 3 layers present in our complex wall.